Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to use Magic Media in Canva using the Right Tone AI tool. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Right Tone website, and you can go ahead and log in, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to pick up the template. So I'll open up the template. I will choose Edit Template. I'm going to go ahead and show you some examples that I put together, and then I'm going to show you how to do this. So as you can see, I added the prompt and the image that went with the prompt. So I'm going to do example 5 so you can understand how to use this tool. I'm going to go to Right Tone, and after logging in, I'm going to go ahead and choose Use Cases. I will then choose Arts and Media, and I will scroll down and choose the AI Image Prompt Generator. And you're going to describe the image that you want. So here is what I came up with: a killer whale breaching near a person in a kayak. You can choose the style, so I'll go ahead and choose oil painting, and you can add additional information if you choose, or you can just choose generate. So I'll choose generate, and it will generate text on the right part of the screen. So select this part, right click and choose copy of that selection and go back to Canva. I'm now going to choose apps on the left. I will choose Magic Media and hit enter, and I will select the app. I will go ahead and right click in this section and choose paste. Now notice the text got cut off. So what you want to do is come in and maybe revise that script before you add it to the prompt. I'm going to go ahead and change the sentence at the end. It says the person in the kayak is terrified but they. So I'll go ahead and backspace, add a period. I will select the text that was admitted for the image. I will right click and choose copy. I will go ahead and in the prompt section, I will right click and choose paste. Now I will go ahead and scroll down. I will use none under styles. Since it is a square, I will keep it as a square, and I will generate image. I got an error message saying killer may result in content that doesn't meet our policies. If you're concerned about it, you can go ahead and change killer whale to orca, and I'm going to come over to the prompt and change killer whale to orca as well. And now I'll try generate image again. So 4 images popped up. You can take the one you think you'll want and drag it and replace the image. Of the 4, that seems to be my favorite. Leave the image that you like, and if you're curious, you can generate image again by selecting generate again. I'm not sure how many times you can generate again, but if you don't like the ones you generated, choose it again. For now, I really like the one that I chose so far. So let's say I swap that image off with this one. If you don't like it, do Control Z or Command Z for the undo feature. I'm going to go ahead and keep this image because I really like it. When you are done with your presentation, you would choose Share in the upper right corner. You would then choose Download. Go to the file type and choose MP4 video to get an actual video and choose download. When it's done downloading, you would go to your downloads folder, and there's the video for you to share with the world. This concludes the session on how to do Magic Media using Right Tone in order to come up with incredible images. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.